Good morning, everybody, to July 10th, Friday stream. Sorry about the no stream yesterday. I was redoing we were redoing the introduction video. We have a shorter stream today. It was quite a volatile week. I feel like today might just be a chill day. But other than that, let's get started. I'm a little bit under the weather. Got some crazy allergies because I was outside quite a bit yesterday. So I think I was outside for like 8 hours mowing the lawn. I played football, and now I'm like under the weather. Damn allergies. But we'll get the stream started and the show on the road. Let's go. There we go. Yo, what up? What up? How's it going?
Good, man. Just closed most of my Euro USD trade. My short.
Nice, you're short on it?
Yeah, I was short. I closed 85% of it. I didn't hit TP. I'm like, it's at like somewhat a resistance. I'm like, I don't want to risk any profits. So I left the 15% runner of the position and I got rid of the TP. And
nice, you woke up and like shorted it, eh?
I woke up at 5:30. I was just like, I couldn't sleep. So I was like, all right, well, we'll just go downstairs. And then I saw if you look at that chart in the 30 minutes, Euro USD.
Yeah.
Like the hour formed nice, but the third, like that was the hour, nice rejection, right?
Yeah.
But 30 minutes, like look at all the candlesticks it broke.
Yeah, damn, that is nice on 32.
Yeah. So then, yeah, 30.
That's good.
Like, yeah. So just
has a pretty nice support, like right here. Might have to break.
It does.
So
it does.
Probably hit that support, and if it breaks, dude, imagine if the weekly turns bearish. Just another rejection wick. Yeah, we'll see.
That'd be rowdy.
Well, there's PPI for US, so that might be the driver. PPI is good. 10 minutes.
What? Really? I only see Canadian news. Oh yeah, PPI. Sorry, I'm tripping out. Yeah. That'd be crazy, man. And honestly, that would be nice setup for next week.
Yeah.
Does that mean next week is definitely gonna be red? And my target for next week then would be around 111.70 area, so 100 pips away.
Well, we'll see how it reacts today. I mean, today might be a nice move.
I'm just chilling.
Yeah, I mean, we got no rush, right? So I had a pound USD trade overnight that actually worked out pretty decent.
Nice short. Wait, was it short or long?
Long.
Oh.
Yeah, I was still in an uptrend, so I was like, I'll long it. I think I had my order at 125.80.
Yeah.
Then my stop loss at 125.55. TP was 126.05.
Yeah.
So like, kind of up here, but yeah, man, it was good. Still practicing the overnighters, cause even like if you look at Raj,
killing, man.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why, right? Because like if you have like a certain direction, then might as well try it out. Even Euro USD did the same thing, but now it looks bearish on Euro USD. So see how that goes. Yeah, it looks like our barbecue plans are failed.
Done, yeah. Yo, just wondering, would you and your girl be interested in going on a hike tomorrow?
In a hike tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'll ask her. Hiking. Right now she's camping with her brother.
Okay.
She's back, I'll ask her. But yo, I got like some crazy allergies from I was outside for like 6 hours, 7 hours yesterday. Yeah. I was mowing the lawn for like 4 or 5, and then I played football for 2 hours with like Banky and them.
And shit, nice.
And then at nighttime, dude, I got some rowdy allergies. It's like hidden right now, so I'm gonna
Oh shit.
Be game time decision for tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good. I told you, just
Where are you guys gonna go?
Haling or Yemaneska.
Nice.
Yeah.
Holling's gonna be packed as fuck. I'll tell you that much.
Oh, I know. But...
Unless you guys go like early.
Well, I mean, yeah, for Haling, like if you guys were gonna go, like we'd meet at ESO around like 8:30.
Yeah, fair enough.
And then if it's Yemaneska 8.
But let me give you that by like tonight. I'll text you.
Okay.
'Cause it would be dope, but if my allergy is still kicking in, then
Yeah, I feel you.
not a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. That was a nice trade on Euro. Damn. Woke up like right when it was going down.
Yeah, I don't know. It was the Forex gods
Yeah.
or the bird that kept me up.
It's like, yo, get up, Chan. It's short Euro.
Get up, man. You got stuff to do. What the heck?
What happened?
No, I'm trying to put my YMCA membership on hold for another 3 months.
Are they letting you?
No, yeah, they give you the option of 3 to 6 months hold.
Oh, nice.
And when I talked to girl, she's like, she has her CPA, so they said that if you're sick or exhibit symptoms, you can't write. So then like she's not gonna take the risks.
Yeah, makes sense. No point in taking that risk, anyways.
Yeah, when the exam's so close. 0, 8, 4, 3.
There's quite a bit of videos on the channel now. It's nice.
Yeah, it is. Sorry, just give me a second. I'm just doing some real quick here.
Yeah, it's all good.
there's orders to go down, but yeah, I'm just gonna.
Orders to go down? Was that?
There's the wick, right? So there's orders to go down. I like the reason why I punched out earlier is if you're on the 30-minute, yeah, which you are. Let me annotate here. It was like this. This is the whole range, I would say.
Yeah.
So then, like, I'm like, oh, we're at the topper kind of like range. I'm like, you know what? I'm not trying to hit home runs here. I'll go for
No.
You know, I got my profits. I'm gonna be like, yeah, whatever. I locked in some.
Yeah, that's exactly what you need, though. Yeah. So.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's why I got a little. I'm like, yeah, it's like, fuck. This was a Tuesday to Thursday. Yeah, I would probably held on for like the full 2 extra more pips, but whatever. That's what the runners want, anyways. U.S. oil, man.
Oh shit, news is out too right now too.
Oh, for USD CAD, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, wait for. Yeah. Let's see how USD CAD's moving. It's okay.
It's okay.
Let's show the viewers, I guess, market reaction, whatnot.
Hasn't really done much. Here, I'll pull up the news in a second. I'm just editing that video from yesterday.
Oh, okay. That's good. All right, yo, I'm gonna go make coffee. I'll be right back.
Sounds good. So let's check news did. So it was worse than expected. Labor force Canada worse than expected too. Core PPI. Why is this bugged? Oh, that's the sanitation. No wonder. Clear all drawings. There we go. Be right back to it. Oh wow, gold's pushing up. USD CAD. Pound CAD. Yeah, pound CAD should rise. We'll see though. I'm not gonna chase it long or anything. Oh wow, my Bro, it's killing me. How the US dollar react? US dollar went down a little bit. I'm gonna wait before even like entering any trades. See the structure. So the structure on pound USD, I just want to show how the structure is on the hour time frame. You have your bearish structure being broken, and you have a high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Over here, it didn't really do anything, but you have a higher low from this point. Another higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the shorts would be here, but in reality, the long play should retest up here, especially with bad news on the USD and bad market data for the US dollar. In reality, this should push up higher. But post news, I'm gonna wait because trading too soon after news kind of kills me. So I'll just wait and kind of let the 15 and the 30-minute form a little bit. So we'll see how those go. But yeah, no, I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute to form. See how those go. USD CAD should be shooting up.
What did I miss?
Nothing. Didn't even do much, man. Pound CAD went up a little bit though. That's about it.
Yeah.
The 30
Oh wow,
minute.
you break even now? Yeah, I got broke even. That's the name of the game. That's crazy, Wick. What's the low? That was my trade. Let's see here. Perfect. runner got broke even, but at least covered commissions.
Nice. But you still got profit on some of the trade.
Oh, the core position I got like about 10 or 11 pips out. And then my target was 15 pips.
Yeah, but so that's pretty solid. And day with profit on that.
Yeah. I'm happy with that. And now it's just
yeah, it's just chill.
Wait for
I think the real volume push will be around like 7 o'clock for some of these pairs anyways. When the New York market opens, digest information really doesn't move. But yeah, we'll see you. I'll be right back. Yeah, you get some hot water. My throat's killing me now. Yo. Any trades taken? Nothing.
I went all in on Euro long.
You went all in Euro long?
Yeah.
Nice. Actually, to be honest, I was looking at pound USD long, so
On USD, yeah.
we'll see. I'll see how the US dollar does, how it reacts. But might just be
You
a
get
range
like
day, bro.
the pound USD hit your TP.
From the overnight, yeah. My
Yeah.
TP was just at this line right here.
Nice, buddy.
I mean, a little bit lower, like 05, so it was like 80, 25 pips for 25 pips stop loss. Wasn't bad. Obviously, it could have potentially go up higher, but I don't know. And like before I
Roger
slept,
says, man, waking up in profits is the best thing.
yeah. Well, the other thing was there's quite a few levels actually. Even this level now, I'm looking at it. Kind of just taps into there. Anything above here though, that's a clean move. Actually, I'm gonna be looking. But yeah, I don't know. Even it went up like 20 more pips. But I just have
I mean,
to.
if you were awake, you would have had a runner. So
Yeah, I can't. It's tough. It's tough
yeah,
still.
dude, it's always
Because like over time, the overnight positions have killed me for the most part. But luckily for my allergies, I was up, and I think I saw like this candlestick was like rejecting, so I just had like 05 TP. So
yeah.
We'll see how it rolls. Should just stay up there and no, okay. Don't want to do that again. Try the London session again.
Oh man, we've had a chat about that.
Yeah, it's not worth it. Unless we were like in the UK, it ain't really worth it.
Yeah, I think we said that the best place to be up would be Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai would be the perfect place to trade.
Because wait, what's Dubai's time? I think they're 11 hours ahead of us.
Well, not even that. It's like I think a London session opens at like 11 a.m. right, and then New York closes at like 8, 9. So you have the perfect scheduling for that.
Yeah, you trade and like because okay, so they're 4:48 right now.
Yeah.
Or 4:49, so that's 10 hours ahead of us. London session opened at 1, so about almost 6 hours. Okay, that's not bad. So it starts. That's not that bad. You start at 11.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Work till what? Like I don't know, 7:30. So that'd be.
Man, if I won the lottery, I'd open up a trading floor in Dubai like right away. That'd be the funnest thing.
So if you win the lottery, man, like
what?
You gonna pay for accommodations or what?
Yeah, dude, trading floor, accommodations, everything. That'd be fun.
Just rent a place, like a penthouse. Actually, no. I don't even know if you win the lottery, you can afford a penthouse. Dude. It's so fucking expensive.
Yeah, I have no idea. But either way, dude, like you wake up, you work out, and then you start trading from like 11 till 9 p.m.
Just rent a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom room, apartment. Yeah, you just need a gym membership, so like access to basketball courts.
Yeah,
that's about it.
Accommodation for the girls too, if they're listening. We got you.
Oh yeah, accommodation for girls too. If you guys have nothing else better to do, just come to Dubai.
Come chill.
Come chill. And then we have Amar and them. Yo, I actually showed Amar
what
this channel.
Nice.
I think he watched a couple videos. He was telling me.
Good. Tell him to subscribe.
Subscribe and hit the like button, everybody.
Exactly. That's all we need.
And I was actually talking to Indo, and we talked about so he has a friend in Indonesia. Okay, he's an American, fully American, but 7 years ago he came to Indonesia, so he speaks fluent Indonesian.
Yeah.
So 3 weeks ago when he met up with this guy had 80,000 subscribers. He said since 3 weeks ago, he's posted about 50 videos more, and he's gotten about 30,000 more subscribers.
God damn! Wow.
It's all about content, is what he says. I'm like, and he does watch our videos. So shout out to Indo.
Shout out to Indo, but yeah, no, it is about pushing content out. Even like some of the marketers and like social media guys, they just say you push out as much content as you can. Kind of like it spreads from that, right? So
yeah, and for me, I almost think it's like you're entering a draw. What I mean by that is, if you let's just say make 1,000 videos, there's a bigger chance that one of those videos gets viral. And honestly, if you get 100 million hits or something, right?
Yeah.
But I don't know. I think that's like a pretty fat payout. I think it's at least 100 grand on YouTube.
Yeah, I think so.
Because that's only 0.1%.
I think so. I don't know the exact figures, but I think it's something around that. So
yeah, I don't know how because like how does that kid get paid $26 million to open toys?
Because he has like a pretty big following, advertisements. There's like a lot of facts that go into it. Because like the more views you have, then you get like a lot of advertisement money too, right? You can have a lot of advertising.
That's why, so I'm wondering how that algorithm works. If like let's just say you have a video and you got 100 million views.
Yeah. So
what is that payout? It's definitely 5 figures at least.
Oh, it's 100 million views?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's I think it's 6 figures, dude.
Yeah.
So
100 million views on YouTube.
Yeah, Google has your answer for sure.
This guy, 2019. Oh, what?
What?
I don't know. Let's just hear this.
What's up, you guys? So let's get right into it. I made a video about how much I made from a 1 million view.
1.2 million views, got $7,000.
Wait, what was that?
1.2 million views, got $7,000 gross.
1.2. Damn.
That's fat. That's 700. Wait, no, that's 70 grand. Only well, that's 70 grand ish. A little less than 70 grand.
Yeah, that is pretty fat. But I feel like the more views you have, it's like a kind of progressional.
Yeah, but let's see how many. Guy has 2.14 million subscribers. Actually, no, wait. So that 1.2, you got 7,000. Let me just watch it.
Look, I think I might plan and no, never mind.
Are you seriously? In the last month, he's gotten 100 grand. Watch time 68 million. Views 10 million.
Damn! Wow. That's pretty sick, man. Social media is like lucrative like that. There's so much to be made just off like videos on YouTube or like any social media platform.
So since he started 3 years ago, December 24th, 2016 till April 23rd, 2019, his estimated revenue is 400K.
Damn! Wow. That's solid.
And obviously, the most he made was probably the last year.
Yeah.
So between 2018 till now is probably where.
That's actually pretty sick.
That's crazy. Well, I mean, it's beyond me.
It's beyond you. What does that mean?
I mean, honestly, for me, what I want to do with this channel is really just to educate the audience, right? If we build momentum, great, but it's kind of what we were saying. Like, instead of being signal callers, I'd rather just like, you know, have a partnership with a brokerage and, you know, audience, and just like, if that's my main goal, right?
Yeah, fair enough.
I mean,
But either
just,
way, like even you just build it up and you build up the channel, and then it kind of just monetizes itself, right?
yeah, exactly.
Build up the
I mean, build
content.
a channel, and then I don't know if people are interested. Obviously, then we have to get the legalities.
I think it will.
Right.
I think everything will kind of come together eventually. It's not gonna happen overnight, right?
Oh no.
There ain't no YouTube channel that ever popped off overnight. That'd be pretty insane, to be honest.
Yeah, unless we get like celebs to like,
Pump
you
it
know,
up.
give them a shout out. Yeah, exactly. Straight up pump and dump YouTube channel.
Yeah.
If they would do that, but yeah. Oh man.
Slow day. Hey, I want to go long so bad on this. But like, I look at the daily. It's at this fat resistance. You got this wick to fill, but
Yeah.
ain't no point doing it right now. 4
Crazy.
hours about to close. 1 hour is about to close. 30 minutes about to close. There's a lot of closing candlesticks to look at.
Man, I can't believe the hour flipped bullish for Euro USD. That's crazy. Same as Pound Cat. I thought they were both gonna tank. I was actually in a dilemma because I thought Pound Cat was also gonna tank,
Yeah.
which it kind of did. But like, yeah, no. Good thing I stuck with Baby Girl. Less emotional trauma.
Oh shit! Is he gonna break? I feel like it's gonna break 113 next candle.
Oh, if it breaks, I'm back in it.
Yeah, I think
If
at the
it's
7 o'clock open,
Yeah.
the best strategy would be like get like limits down over here, something.
Yeah.
I do think it's going bullish. If the hour rejected like that, dude.
Target right there. If it breaks, forms.
Yeah, something
Right
like up there.
Yeah, which is, I mean, that's a nice 10 pips, like secure. That'd be nice. We can get another 10 because that's clean traffic on both ends, like the long and the short that we were talking about.
Damn,
I
bro.
think
You want the target at 150.
Buddy, I'm greedy.
I moved the chart so it's like 150. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna chill out. Chill like a villain.
Feel like, yeah, if Euro USD or Pound USD kind of like wicks down here.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put alert on both. I'm gonna put 88 on here. Good old Chad lucky number 88.
88.
So if it goes to like 88, then I'll probably enter. This one goes to like 08, 088.
Oh, dang.
I'll probably enter. There we go. But only if it wicks down, just because like 4 hour just open, so 4 hours should have a wick down in theory.
I almost
Same
feel
with
like,
the
yeah, I
1
should put
hour.
a price stop, man. Like at like
Buy some.
113.018.
Yeah, you could. 113.
Because like we were talking
Yeah.
about like the wicks, like what were we trying to, because like if I put it there, I'm not gonna have like a limit order. It's just gonna be
Straight buy. Yeah, that'll be
Yeah.
like momentum push, right? Like
Yeah,
you're gonna
10 pip per 10 pip. And yeah, it works. Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now.
do it up.
Nice. Okay, how much do I risk? I'll risk.
Full margin. No, I'm kidding.
Margin, buddy.
To all the viewers, never go full margin. Thank you. Advisory.
I'm doing 10 lots, buddy.
Fuck, don't rip. Or yeah, it's gonna rip, ain't it? Whatever.
It's always gonna do what you don't want it to do. There we go.
Short USD CAD.
Holy smokes, it is ripping.
Yeah, man.
It's over.
Is the US dollar really that weak?
I don't know, man.
It is that weak. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, let's do it.
Did you enter?
Yeah, I think the short I went in was liquidity grab.
Yeah, it actually could have been a liquidity grab.
Jeez. Jesus.
There goes my alerts. Goddamn. Why
Are
you
you
no
playing?
pullback?
Oh, I'm in. Damn.
Nice. Oh, you're up fat.
No, man. Let's see what it's gonna do. What a push, man. You rowdy.
I'm still waiting a bit. Yeah, I feel like if you entered, you're good.
Yeah, yeah.
My whole thing is not a lower wick on the 4 hour. So I'm just kind of like hesitant.
Oh, yeah. Shoot. You're right.
So I wanted to enter, but I wanted to enter on that like push down before we went up.
Yeah.
Would have push up first. I mean, it still could go too, but.
I think it's. I don't know, man.
But like all the time frames on Euro kind of just broke highs. Anything above like 103.05 or 113.05, you should be good to go to like 113.20. Just gotta, yeah, 05 might be the key level here. Above these two wicks at like yesterday morning. We'll see. Maybe I got gold.
You will see. How is gold? Yeah, there he is. No.
That's nothing. Probably have gold sells 805 and below. I'm gonna put a little alert here.
Yeah, I'm worried about no having lower wick.
Don't let it trip you out too much. If it doesn't, if it goes straight up, it's strong bullish, right?
But yeah, you know what? The trade's in. The thing is, like, I like entering on these. Like, I was short and then the liquidity grab, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was definitely a liquidity grab. So typically speaking, the direction would be. Yeah, let's see. So maybe I entered. Nah, no, I wouldn't say I entered late because like it had to break up first for confirmation. And my TP is below the zone, so it's just like.
It's not bad. I think,
Oh,
yeah, now
damn.
you're good. There it
Oh, yeah.
goes.
There you go.
You're good, man. You got that. This strong bullish momentum now. Clean traffic higher.
Let's go. Oh, come on, man. Come on, push, push. Damn, that's a strong. Okay, well, I'm close to I'm gonna just break even this trade.
Fair enough.
0, 2, 4. Trades break even, everyone. Euro USD calls were made. Should I have a runner? I feel like I should.
You should.
I feel like I should. Damn. Oh no. Come on, push up, man. Push up. My TP is at 13.11.8.
It's not bad. 13.11.8. I like it. And then you have a runner going to your zone.
Yeah, I mean when it's about the thing is I only have one order.
By the way, I'm long gold. It's not, but yeah. Let's do this. You got one order. Well, you could get
Yeah.
out like 50% or like 75% too. If you have like
Yeah.
it set it to punch out at that point, that's like good.
Oh man. Or am I gonna just get break even? Buddy. Where's the top of this? Oh man. Dude, it was half a pip away from my TP.
It's the worst, eh?
That's like I just want to get rid of these emotions. 0.4, what's 20%? Percent. Oops. So it's 80 cents. So oh. Come on. Where's my bowls at? What? Come on. Oh, man. Man, watching this tech chart's driving me insane. God dang it.
Oh fuck! I didn't enter my runner position on gold. Whatever. It's about one position.
Oh, it's close to my TP. It's close to my SL. No.
Break even? Your break even's too early, bro. I have to give you advice from my point of view. Yeah, let the trade go a little bit.
But it went close to my TP though.
That's true. It was
Like
like
if this tournament
0.05.
yeah, I'd be like, I wouldn't be. I had to protect Apple. I can always enter later.
That's true. You could always re-enter, right?
Nah, I should have just kicked it. Where was it? 10 pips. I lost it. When people said trading was fun, that was a lie.
Wow, just get salty.
Just letting the viewers know, okay?
Get salty real quick.
Just get salty.
Wow. Oh, that's funny, man. No, it is the worst when it's like so close to your TP.
It was half a pip, bro. It's just like, why you gotta do me like that, man? Now, will I learn my lesson if it hits the 10 mark again? Probably not. Come on, push up. I know you can do it. For people live. Oh man, come on. You know, sometimes when I trade Forex, it feels like I'm at what are they called again? Those horse racing events, and people think that by you cheering the horse, it's gonna go faster. You ain't gonna do shit.
Well, those events are usually patience inducing too, aren't they?
Yeah. Actually, I would actually love to go. Hong Kong is big to. It's pretty big to bet on horse racing.
How is Hong Kong right now, anyways? Seems like they're wilding over there. You don't have fam there right now, do you?
No, I don't. But
that's good.
It's probably almost normal. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah. Here comes the pain. Yeah, am I out? Yeah, I'm out. Okay, well, there's orders to go, I guess. Yeah, I think at half a pip, that was like when it made the second attempt up. Yeah, I should have just. Oh no!
What?
It didn't get me out in time. Oh no! That sucks. Okay. 15-minute looks good.
Be switching back between these two, but still get bullish momentum in my opinion, man.
No, I know.
For Euro USD.
I'm gonna wait until the 15-minute closes and I might re-enter.
And then have a stop below the previous 15.
Yeah.
Fair enough. I might join you on that too, actually.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Call it the Cal Chan trade of the day.
Yeah. Man, half a pip. Are you freaking serious?
I think it does hit 20 though. Yeah. It's just clean traffic after it broke all these wicks.
Yeah, I agree.
That's clean movement.
How much would you be risking? You'd be risking 12 pips, 13 pips?
Probably, yeah, below the wick right now or below the candle. So like if
Yeah.
the hour or like the 30-minute or the 4 hour starts flipping bearish, then I'd be concerned. But other than that, dude, I think it's like pretty solid. It'd be like 15 for 15 at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna enter 15 for 15. Oh,
Are you entering now?
yeah, I got one at 054.
Ooh.
Still a good trade, dude. You had a nice call.
Thank you. Just, I'm just gonna punch. Come on, wick down, buddy. Oh.
15-minute, maybe could wick down to like 05 for
Yeah.
entry, but I don't even know, to be honest.
You go half position.
Yeah, I went half position because I got half on gold, half on euro. So
Pound CAD rip too. Jeez.
yeah, pound CAD's driven by the pound right now. Oh wow, pound CAD, that's insane.
I want to drop a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Ah.
Well, you have it at 03 again?
Yeah. For my other, I punched him $1. Oh, come on. Just drop, you son of a gun. Here we go. Did not hit. .1 of a pip from my buy limit. Come on, man.
Plays games, eh?
That's all good. That's Forex trading in a nutshell.
But you have a punched in position, is what you said.
Yeah, but that's 6. Yeah, 6-2.
Fuck it. You should have went with pound USD too. Oh, that is bullish. It's all good.
Damn, that is bullish. Holy smokes.
It's too much of a push with this trade. Damn. It's all good. In euro, in gold.
Pound CAD's ripping. Pound strong as heck.
Yeah, pound's really strong right now. US dollar's weak too, so I should drive it.
Well, pound Jap. It's Roger. Wow, even Jap's strong, but pound I guess is trumping it.
Yeah, pound is killing it right now.
Yeah. Surprise, surprise. But I guess the futures price is somewhat delayed. Right.
Should we get some rocket ships going or what?
Yeah, I get it. I definitely need the rocket ships right now. Rocket ships, magnets, everything.
Let me get my gold one and you draw that one. I'll put a rocket ship on that too. But get this here. Rocket ship.
Yeah, honestly, if
30-minute closes like this, pretty good.
yeah. It would be good.
Paintbrush.
430.
Okay, got that. Move this a little bit to the side. We have the engine starting.
Where is the zoom?
Moon. Put the moon up here. Nice. Paintbrush. Oh, nice. You got the paintbrush.
Buddy.
Beautiful, eh?
2 colors, 2-tone.
Draw some red ones on my gold, man. Help my gold.
Oh shoot! Sorry, I didn't see that.
That hit. My TP on Euros 20 by the way. That was a 15 for 15
Yeah.
trade. So
I put mine at 13, 18, 8.
13, 18, 8. I like it. What's that?
Okay, there we go. No, we need more. We need 2 more tips.
Dude, see, I think the break even was too quick on yours.
Yeah, but honestly though, like, I mean, part of me is not frustrated on that for the fact that if you're half a pip,
yeah,
away,
that's close as fuck.
And it turns in a loser, I'd be more pissed about that. I know that for a fact.
Yeah, 100%. That's the worst. That's one of the worst.
I mean, it didn't hit my TP, so what? I was going for 10 pips. There, like, I just have to keep doing it and protect the capital, and I mean, the rest is, I guess, history. Weird business. What?
What? What you
Shrimp?
saw?
Shrimp test pasta? Oh man.
No more shrimp. Actually, I don't even think Canada imports shrimp from China.
Yeah. Only getting the shrimp from Thailand, yo.
Yeah.
That's insane. You hear that Tesla might be added to the S&P 500?
That's gonna push it up, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Dude, Tesla's on fire right now.
Apparently, Tesla has, in history, the biggest amount of shorts against it. $20 billion worth of shorts placed on Tesla.
What if Russo's in it? Playing.
I would not short that after my experience with the play.
Hell no, I wouldn't even touch it. There was I think Charlie Munger was saying that he went short Tesla and he went long Tesla right now. I mean, look at that, yo. That's insane.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't either.
That is insane. 1400 seems like a crazy resistance. Get a put. Dude, why? You could try it. Look how 1400 has been respected.
That's also consolidated.
Yeah, that is consolidated. I think you could get like a move to 1300 though. If you want.
You look at click on the weekly.
Oh, whoops. I see the chart. Give me a sec.
It's all good. It's all good.
The weekly Tesla. Yeah, what about the weekly right here? Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Monthly. Wow.
Yeah.
Even from like.
Yeah, I've been nice to buy it. What is it? $200.
Yeah. That's insane. 7 times. Wow.
Oh man. Are we going to get this liquidity drive or what? Come on, buddies. For our viewers here, I don't even have like a 1 for 1. I have like a 0.66 for 1 right now, which isn't that good, but I mean, I'm playing momentum.
Yeah, that was the biggest thing with this trade, dude, in my opinion.
Yeah. You know where I think I messed up too? I think I should, my buy stop, instead of being at 113.11, it should have been just right above the previous high, or just a little bit above, which would be like, I'll say 113.011. And that
right here
would have made the difference.
Because then you would have still been in the trade, right?
No, I've been out.
Oh, you've been out, yeah.
Yeah. That would have been the single biggest difference, I think. Or when I saw the liquidity, another thing is after the hour formed with the liquidity grab to enter there.
Yeah, I think that would have been the nice one.
And then because that would be where.
Speaking of that, yo, remember the hour chart? Remember how we said there's no lower wick on the hour? Maybe this was it. This right here, that was the you didn't need like a liquidity grab.
You didn't, yeah. You don't need a wick when it's a liquidity grab.
Yeah.
And then let's just see here. Because yeah, it makes sense because if you think about it, liquidity grab in itself is just a bigger form of a wick on a higher time frame.
Yeah, exactly. Basically is.
Like, yeah. So then, yeah, if you look at the hour, yeah, there's no wick. And then what you could have just put your risk at 10 pips if you entered at 112.93, so below the body of like the candlesticks. Sorry, can you go an hour on your chart? Just
Yeah, for sure. I was just marveling at the drawings.
It's hell of a drawing. Oh, it's over there. For some reason, I kept looking at your gold trade. I'm like, what is that? Is that an hour? Okay, yeah. Wait.
Yeah, that's an hour.
What? That's gold though.
This is right
The
side.
left side. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's like on the left side, it says Euro USD up there, which I was like, and I saw.
Wait,
What's going
what?
on? I'm tripping.
So
But
confused.
right there.
Yeah.
Oh no. No.
What? Oh,
Dude.
thank God.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that was the one I was talking about. That could have been just a liquidity grab to push this hour like further higher, right?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. That's why like I still thought it was a good trade even when you got out. I was happy you got back in with me.
And then the stop would have been right here. If you like entered on the candlestick up at 129, 112.92.
Yeah.
Which would have been so much drawing right there.
I don't know if I would enter at 92, but like you said, up above this wick, 113.01. That's probably where I would end, dude. Looking at it, I feel like that's better.
Or maybe even above the body of the previous.
Oh, like right here.
Is that is a huge liquidity grab?
Oh, that's fat, bro.
You know what I mean? So I'm just thinking, it's like, how would we make this trade better? Would you enter kind of like here above the previous bearish body candle, which would have been at 112.95, if it punched up, like put a buy stop?
Yeah, I think that would have been nice, and then you ever stop here. But like the biggest confirmation Ted says is above the wick, and I feel like with momentum above the wick would have been the best. Like I still, if you want the best entry, maybe the 30-minute gives you a better indication.
Yeah.
Like 30-minute would be above this previous candlestick, right?
Yeah, 30-minute would be. Yeah, I agree.
But then if you want like safe ones, I think like this entry like up here was the safest one. So
yeah. Oh wait, it's 14 pips, so yeah.
Fuck,
no
dude.
qualms about that.
This was the trade though. I was too pussy to go long, but this is the actual one I wanted to go long on.
Oh wow, yeah, that was a huge rip.
Yeah, that was. Either way, it seems pretty good. You get more hot water though.
Sure.
If anything happens, just call myself. I'll be right back.
I'm ready.
Yo.
Yo.
Damn, man.
You know how I know I'm getting old, bro?
Why?
When we got our new Dyson yesterday,
You got excited?
I got excited. Yeah.
Nice, bro. You're
Like,
the meme.
compare my old Dyson, this thing was huge. And like, man, it was good. Like, I vacuumed downstairs, my like gym area, and like I was like, wow. First I was kind of grossed out. I'm like, wow, there's a lot of shit here.
Yeah.
But also I'm like, damn. Yeah.
Nice. It was pretty solid though. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like it basically is double the size of my previous Dyson.
Damn. Wow. That's pretty sick.
Yeah. So whatever. Shout out to my dad for vacuuming the house. I just wanted to do the basement. Just, you need a clean workout environment.
Yeah, you do. You need it clean, nice, and your environment really matters when you're trading and studying.
Yeah.
Yo, if this starts going bearish on gold, I'm gonna short it.
Who? On gold? Okay, yeah. For a
So,
second, I
don't know.
thought you tried on Euro USD.
No, Euro USD is still good on gold. If it starts going bearish, I'll probably short it.
Analyzing it. 1 hour looks good. 30-minute. Man, just pushed up. Oh, I mean, I'm gonna leave my limit order there. Oh, that reminds me, I should look at. Damn, pound cat is fire.
Yeah, my stop got hit on gold.
Oh shoot.
It's all good. Oh, don't tell me that was a stop grab. That'd be the worst stop grab in history.
It's okay.
Let me screenshot this actually.
Some stops get hit. Some stops don't.
Yeah, we might have to remove drawings real quick.
Yeah, no, I'll just remove it. That's all good.
Yeah. We'll go back to 1 so I can screenshot this loss. Whoops.
Man, I want my better back to come like ASAP. Where is it? Oh, it's in transit still. 3 days. Come on, just hit my limit order, buddy. Ugh.
Damn. Oh, that was so crazy. Tell me that was it. It's not fair. All
Buddy,
the way
man.
back up.
It's all good, man. Some stops get hit, some stops don't. You know,
No.
I think for both of us,
Look at
my
that
stop I
wake,
want to
though.
get hit, no. Your stop that you didn't want to get hit, yes.
That wake, though, that was a crazy wake. It went below this, and that was where my stop was. So that makes sense. Yeah, I can't even hit on it.
Yeah.
Delete all this now. Boom, boom.
Some people would blame their brokerage and stuff, but I mean,
It is what it is, right?
it is what it is. I should also blame the brokerage that my TP didn't get hit, but that's life, man. That's
Can you
life.
imagine just playing the brokerage?
They're scamming me, I'm not gonna hate. I love Black Bull. Shout out to Black Bull.
Shout out to Black Bull Markets. Very good brokerage. I like them too.
Love New Zealand. My cousins live there. Great country, great people.
Yeah.
Better than Australia. But yeah.
Let's go back to dual screen. Get Euro. Yeah, perfect.
Pound CAD, you son of a gun. You son of a gun.
Yeah, I think pound was the real play. Pound is just killing it. Any pound pair.
Any pound, yeah, I was killing it.
We get so wrapped up in numbers in our society, and the most important thing is that we're able to be one-to-one, you and I, with each other at the moment. That's what's important.
Let's go, Euro.
Push, push, push. 8 more pips. 8 more pips. 9 more pips.
100 more pips.
That'd be the greatest thing.
That would be fucking amazing. Yeah.
If our TPs got slipped.
Slipped 100 pips.
A good slip. I don't know what news would drive Euro USD 100 pips. I would.
Yeah, I know. That's tough to say. Crazy Eurozone. Like all of Europe is reopening right now. Right now.
Euro's forecast is phenomenal growth at 10% GDP. Economists were wrong.
Damn, pound USD. Fuck. I knew it was this one. It's all good. It happens.
It happens. That's it, man. I mean, though, I had a similar situation where it's like there's opportunities. I think it was gold, Euro USD, and pound CAD.
Yeah. And you chose
And then,
gold
you know,
that day.
I think after that situation, I was just like, yeah, you gotta stick with the baby girl.
Yeah,
Baby.
that's true.
Yeah.
Euro still looks good though. I can't even deny it. So next hour you'll probably get like
It's
a
not
wick
moving
down.
as nice as pound, but I mean, though, we all know how Euro moves.
Yeah, it moves slower,
that?
but it'll move there. I think it seems like it
Maybe.
will.
Maybe I'm just, yeah, it is what it is.
So let's see if gold actually goes up. It rejected this, but I hate this wick lower. Damn it, gold! Why you do that?
It basically did that twice.
Yeah, the wick lower.
Yeah,
Yeah, wick higher and wick lower. It's all good though.
that's all good.
Maybe I'm gonna keep that in mind. I was thinking about in 1805 stop loss, but yeah, that probably would have been better.
Yeah.
Hindsight's 2020, right? So
Hindsight, yeah. If I only had. Man, I can't believe 0.7 pips was the difference in my entry.
yeah, for Euro too, right?
Yeah.
Hindsight.
I mean, obviously, yeah. And like I said, like, if I knew it was gonna go up and stuff to right now, then I would have just kept the position. But
Fair enough.
it's the capital. Man, buddy, rip. Oh wow.
What?
Eldorado Resorts bought Caesars Entertainment for $17.3 billion deal.
Caesars Entertainment got bought?
Yeah.
No way. That's crazy.
I don't even know what Eldorado Resorts are.
Yeah, I don't either, but that's crazy. That's actually fucking insane, to be honest.
Oh. And the thing is, it's probably gonna be an all stock deal if anything.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's see. Okay, Eldorado Resorts. Okay, Silver Legacy Resort, Casino, Sportsbook, Restaurant. I'm just thinking if I've heard of any of these guys. Man, I just want a 30-minute candlestick to close. I just like change the top one.
Yeah, I think so. But then the new hour would open too, so it's kind of tough.
Yeah. Lady Luckens. No, that's Kansas City. Okay. That makes sense, I guess. From what I see here, most of their casinos are not in Nevada. It's everywhere else in the US.
States?
Like Atlanta, like Kansas City, Boonesville, Evansville. Yeah, I've never even heard of these places.
Yeah, I've never heard of that either. I guess they just got like hotels around the states instead of just all focused in Nevada.
Yeah, okay.
Makes
So
sense.
my money is on that they're using stocks.
They would have to. That makes the most sense.
They're publicly. Let's see here. 55 okay, so once they buy them, because regular is okayed it. So that's 55 properties in 16 US states.
Not bad. So they do have quite a bit of cash on hand then, what are you trying to say?
Let's see. Okay, Eldor will buy Caesar stock at $12.13 per share using $8.70. It's funny because I'm doing corporate finance right now, and this is it. You know, first we talk about regulars, okay, and they have to do the, I can't pronounce the name, but it's the HHI.
What's that?
It's basically measuring the concentration of the
Yeah.
market. And then, so essentially, if regulators okay this, well, it's a different scheme. I'm sorry, I'm gonna explain this to the audience just for the fact that it helps me go through the concepts I've learned, and it hopefully shows I retained it. So you would basically, it depends on the market share of the company. So let's just say Eldorado is 10%, right?
Yeah.
So you would go 10%. 10 squared plus then whatever the rest of the competition is. So if everyone else was at 5%, and it depends also on the numbers as well. So if you have a number after you do a summation of those by more than, if it's under 1,000, you don't have a concentrated market. If you have between 1,000 to 1,800, it's a moderately concentrated market. So anything under 1,000, you're fine. It doesn't. You won't get regulators won't freaking stop you. But then, yeah, anything from 1,000 to 1,800 is moderately concentrated. So if the difference of the merger causes more than, I believe, 100, if the difference of the pre-merger to the after-merger is more than 100 points on that scale, on that index, then regulators might not approve it. Now, if the market concentration is 1,800 or higher on that scale, then if after the merger it increases it by 50 points, or the difference is 50 points more, then it'll also be disapproved. Yes.
Yes. Good job. That was good review. Good review.
Thank you. So yeah, so for, oh wow, Caesar stock is cheap, $12.30.
Yeah, I think crashed after Crony, I think.
Oh, okay, well it wasn't that much in the beginning. In the beginning, I think it was like around $14.50. It crashed all the way to $4. Holy smokes! And now it's at $12.25. So they're what? $12.25. So they're basically buying this for market value, current market value. How did they do that? That means the takeout premium is basically like 50 cents. 50 cents on 12.50 is 4% market takeover premium.
Damn, wow. Yeah.
So using $8.70 in cash, and the remainder will be Eldorado shares. Eldorado will own 56% of the merged company.
Seems
Oh,
like an
wow,
interesting deal. Probably should study it a little bit more.
Yeah, they're both up too. That's interesting. So typically when you have mergers and acquisitions, typically speaking, the acquirer overpays. It's called the winner's curse. Overpays on purchasing the target, right? And of course, usually there's a bidding war that really drives up the takeover premium as well. And so you would see that Eldorado stock typically, and a study, actually, I think he was mentioning it before, my prep dude. 61% of mergers and acquisitions, the guy, like, the acquirer overpays. And the synergies are rarely, like, realized. And typically speaking, acquirer goes down, and then the target stock price goes up. But right now, they're both up, which is very surprising. Wow. I don't know why I find this so interesting.
That's good though. You should be passionate about CFA and learning about these M&As.
I mean, it's showing up. Like, this is exactly what they had in, like, the textbook and how it describes the situation. I'm like, wow.
Real life situation.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sick.
Oh, that's cool. Well, that's my little CFA rant for today, everyone. It's cash burn. Wow. Son of a gun.
Still can't believe Caesars got bought though. Caesars was big, man.
Me neither.
Caesars was a place. It was a big hotel chain.
Yeah. But I'm guessing, like, the reason why regulators approved them is that, like, it seems anyways, and if any of the viewers know more about casino games, then correct me. But I think most of their assets were outside of the That's why they got the okay.
Most of whose assets?
The acquirer's assets, which was Eldorado.
Yeah.
The description on Fimbus, I didn't see any other chains of hotels. And obviously, you've been to Vegas quite a couple of times here, so, like, you've never heard of Eldorado, neither have I. So
no, I've never heard of Eldorado. Yeah. I didn't even know where they came from. New player in the game or something.
Yeah.
So,
like, Atlantic City, which makes sense. That's another gambling hub.
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
Very interesting, though. Very, very interesting.
I still remember going to Caesars and losing $100 in like 3 hands of blackjack.
Yeah, that was retarded.
I was just like, I remember telling him, like, yo, I should just use that money to upgrade her room.
Yeah, upgrade room, maybe get some drinks, do something else with it, but yeah, shit happens, right? Damn, Euro. What happened to you? What happened to momentum?
Yeah, I know, man. I mean, the only thing I see is, like, yeah, my TP got hit, like, from previous trade that got break even. That's about it.
Yeah, but now it's like
I lost $1.20 on that too, on commission slips. So choked, man. I'm just choked.
It's all good. It happens, right?
Okay, stocks did not open flat, you liar. I hate when the news say that, like, the markets are down.
You can't really follow the news, dude. They always, like, try to spin it in their favor. It's like, yo.
Yeah, it's like, chill. It's so funny too. Like, actually, I was talking to this, like, me and Indos, like, talked for a good, like, an hour or two.
Yeah.
And it's just like we were talking about like the news and like how you just got a notification of like, oh, like markets are on a downtrend and stuff. It's just like coronavirus like resurgence and stuff spooks investors. I'm like, buddy, have you not looked? It's all from perspective, right? It's like, have you not looked at how the market's recovered? Like, it's honestly V-shaped. It's like one day down does not mean that it's a resurgence of anything.
No, definitely not. So
And my limit order might get hit.
I feel like if the hour closes like this, should be good though. Nice wick
Oh
to
yeah.
fill. So I think I like it more if it does close like this. So we'll see how that does.
Man, does not want to hit my limit order. Oh. Well, since we're waiting and stuff for things to happen, I'm just gonna start making more cue cards here.
Yeah, dude. I think even like downtime for trading is probably like a good time for you to study, right?
Yeah. Just
Not
gonna
much
chill out.
happening, so
Yeah, there is not much. Oh man.
still feel like 20 gets hit. Just gotta be patient with it.
Yeah. Totally agree. $30. 10 pips. Yeah, I'm just looking at pound cat and like how the 30-minute closed and it went 13 pips. So yeah, you could have gone the 10 pip move.
Pound cat was nice.
Yeah.
I think pound USD, anything pound related, was actually like the trade.
Mm-hmm.
But whatever, we're in euro. Can't really complain, right?
Yeah.
Pound USD is a little bit more volatile than euro, anyways. But I mean, the trade's still good. Analysis is still good. Everything's still good. We good.
No, I mean everything is still good.
Yeah.
Oh.
This bearish flip on gold, I might take a short. I was looking at it if the 30-minute finishes bearish like this too. Below this support created. Not a bad one.
Yeah. Well, see? Stop, save lives.
Yeah, stops do save lives.
Yep.
Definitely save lives.
Yep. Boom.
Where my TPB 1800? 1796. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. This ain't.
Yeah, I beat Reach.
You beat Reach,
It
nice.
was so epic, man. It was just, oh my goodness.
It was pretty good, eh?
Yeah, and I mean, like, yeah, the trilogy starts, man. Soon. I don't know when I'm gonna start, but it's soon.
And then you got Halo 3 coming out in August, so
Yeah.
pretty
No,
solid.
I'm doing like what, 4 days?
Yeah, that is. So
Yeah, 14. It's insane. That's all I gotta say. Oh, come on, last 2-minute push. We all know you want to do it.
yeah, that's what it seems like it was doing, eh? Just like being bearish for like most of 30 minutes and then boom.
Yo, yeah, I swear it happens so often. Like,
I know, then the last few minutes of the
not
hour.
only Euro USD on everything.
Yeah.
It just like it shows like, and that's why you let sometimes candlesticks form unless you're playing momentum, because then you just use yesterday's candlestick.
Exactly. Like candlesticks form and then boom. They get a short on gold at 1805.50. So
Nice.
it's forming and then boom, crashing. Crash all the way down. So I might put a limit at 1805.
Oh. Come on, buddy. Make this a doji. That doesn't matter. Close my limit order. Change my stop to 113.023. So below the 30-minute candlestick. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm adjusting it too. I think mine will be a little bit higher, more lenient. I think like 112.90.
112.90.
97.
Okay.
Oh, let's go gold 1801 TP. That's clean on the way down now.
Are you out?
No, 1801's my TP.
Oh, okay.
Got my little core position out and now I have a runner to 1801. So we'll see how that runs. If I do that, then I'll be a little bit above break even for gold on the day.
Yeah.
Damn, that was a fat tank though.
Come on. 10 more
Euro.
pip. No. Euro, sorry. It is what it is. I'm more mentally prepared. I'm going to get stuffed out in Euro than anything. It is what it is.
Nah, I like the hour liquidity. Kind of mini liquidity grab. You're gonna get a wick fill at the bare minimum. So
Yeah.
we'll see how that rolls.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, my stop's at 97. I feel like if it hits 97, then
Am I out?
are you?
I don't know. Let's just see. It's only a pip away. Oof. Oh. Yeah, I'm out.
You're out?
Out.
Damn.
Yep.
Damn it, Euro.
It's all good, man. We had it right.
Games.
Oh, you're almost gonna get TP'd out, buddy.
Gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 more pips. Zoom in. Well, on the ask, right? So we'll see. Euro trade though. Fuck.
Oh, dude, it's all G.
Finished above.
Yes.
If I win on this gold trade, let's say it hits like 1801, I'm adjusting my Euro to 96.
Okay.
It's hypotheticals. Oh, fuck you, gold. Fuck you. What? Fuck you, Euro too.
Dude, it's all good. Still in profits, but today was a stressful day.
I think it's Friday movements.
I know.
To be completely honest with you, it's like, yo, the fuck.
I just,
the fuck.
I think what's biting me in the ass is really, yeah, the poor entry. The poor entry. And 0.7 pips made a hell of a difference.
Yeah, hey, that's the worst, dude. 0.7 damn pips.
Because yeah, I would have been. The lucky 8 number did not help that time. That's funny. So, just for the viewers, know that superstitions don't mean crap in this game.
Nope.
Wicks and bodies of candlesticks don't lie.
Exactly. The superstitions and your favorite numbers don't mean shit.
Don't mean crap, man, honestly.
Yeah, actually.
At 0.7 pips, yeah, that is the difference.
By the way, I put my TP on gold at 1802.50 and only like a little bit got filled. It's weird.
Oh, let's see it filled right now. 1802.50?
1802.50.
Oh, there you go.
No,
Wait, no.
No, it has to be the ask. That would put me at break even for gold, which isn't too bad. Pretty happy.
Yeah, I
with
just
break even on gold.
At least the Euro's going back up.
Man, that Euro, the only reason I didn't want to put it below the 30-minute wick is like I seen it do that all the time.
Oh yeah, I know.
It's like consistently going below the wick and then shooting up. That's why I was like, that wick is like in theory good, but give it like a couple pips extra room to.
Because it tapped freaking when it tapped that zone I've
Mhm.
drawn out, like I don't know, man. Oh, there you go, buddy. Your TP's at 20?
Yeah, I've been at 20. Like 20 just because of this right here, right? Like this is a clean traffic up, but like you see like this support over here and kind of like this kind of traffic, but I mean that's if it goes.
Yeah.
We'll see. Gold just take me out. What the hell? Oh my god.
Oh,
It hits 55. I'm gonna put
yeah,
it
I saw that too.
putting it at 65 now.
Chasing those orders, man. That's a hit 65. And then now you see it tank to 1801.
I cry. I think I cry.
Shed no tears for the trades, especially if they're in green.
Yeah, that's true actually.
Our losses there are bigger than expected.
Well, it's like I said, dude. It's like if it broke the support on high volume, then I'd enter a short because I was on the long side first. But you have to be nimble in these markets.
Yeah, you gotta be nimble. There's
So,
two sides to the game.
There are winners and losers. Oh, there we go. I'm out of time. Now Euro, my homie Euro. I probably just go to one chart. Huh? Well, your homie Euro, your baby girl Euro. I'm sorry, man. I'll buy you lunch.
Oh, dude, I'll take any offers on lunch, bro.
Korean or what? Ramen. Yo, there's actually $10 ramen day coming up next week.
Where?
Jinya.
Oh, Jinya, eh? Nice. Yeah. Around, I think it's like 17th Ave, near 17th Ave.
Yeah, it's bomb. I think it's like $10, $15 ramen day. So.
Yeah. Oh, buddy. Damn, that was a nice exit on gold.
Luck. Luck. I adjusted my TPs 1801 to 1802.50 to. Yeah, now it rips all the way up. Wow. Oh, I hope I don't have my limit there still. Thank God I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go for Jinya. I could use some soup actually. That'd be nice for my allergens.
Yeah. Right. Well, I appreciate the meal. We will also stream that. Start doing foodie videos as well. Oh man.
Dude, that'd be sick though if you're a food blogger.
Oh, 100% because you get like free food. There's restaurants want you to try out just for your exposure.
Yeah, fair enough.
Someone was telling me like influencers in Indonesia, like social media influencers, right? Like they get paid like for a gram story, they get paid like $1,000. And then if you're like a super influencer, like in Indo, you get paid like 5,000 per post.
Damn, wow, that's actually pretty crazy.
But I mean, honestly, when you're to a certain point where you get pretty big, right?
Yeah.
Like, you might as well be like I'm talking about like big, like in like LeBron James or Kylie Jenner. Like, you might as well just start your line and take out the middleman.
Yeah, that's so true. Because then you have like monopolizing force, this conglomerate
exactly.
style take over.
Exactly.
Wow, dude, gold's exit might have been my best exit ever.
Holy smokes.
Ladies and gentlemen, if
Wow.
you like that exit on gold, give me a follow on Instagram. Okay, put a like on the stream, subscribe, and then keep
We need to
following.
start
That's the
when
one thing I was worried about on gold, just for the fact that you have that impulsive move sell,
yeah.
and then it was just like,
So it's basically a liquidity grab.
I don't know if it's gonna shoot up though. If it shoots and makes new highs, then I wouldn't even look at gold for the rest of the week.
Oh, good thing it's Friday.
Yes, never mind. For till next week.
Well planned, sir. Oh, buddy. 5 more pips. Let's go. I might call it a day. Might call it day and close the charts.
Fair enough.
How's QQQ doing? Yeah.
Don't worry, you get a lunch. This is the Cal Chan trade. Cal Chan lunch trade for Virginia next week.
Trade. Let's go. 3 more pips or 4 more pips. 4 more pips. Imagine if you get to trade your USD with 0 spreads. I wonder.
Euro USD with 0 spreads? That'd be pretty sick.
I wonder if that's possible. Well, I mean, if you were like what, one of those intermediate like.
Dude, imagine though, you just like enter and then you're up in profit.
Yeah, because all they do is trade spreads.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, look at this.
Sorry, I'm just logging right now. On my log, it says the Cal Chan lunch trade.
Thank you. I may
Give
enjoy that
credit.
ramen. Woo!
Well, if it hits 20, if it doesn't, then
The lunch is off, buddy.
lunch is off.
Oh, buddy, just close the trade. You're up 10 pips.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta trust it though. 20. If it gets to like 18 again, I'll probably watch it. But I'm gonna do it like after I long. I'll reassess. And I'll see how it is.
I'm just trying to secure my lunch.
Securing
I'm
your
not even
lunch.
securing profits right now. I'm securing a freaking free lunch, guys. Heard it here first. Spot rate. That's my team.
That's so funny. Secure profit, secure lunch.
A man is hungry, man. What do you want me to say?
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I'm a slug a bed.
What?
I'm a slug a bed.
What's
So
that?
okay, so the reason why I'm saying these random words for everyone that's watching is I have the dictionary app on my phone, so each day there's the word of the day. So slug a bed, a person who lazily stays in bed long after the usual time for arising.
You're a slug of bed.
Slug a bed. Some of the examples here is so funny. He's like, "Auntie," he said, "don't you auntie me, you slug a bed." There's toads to be buried and stoops to be washed. Why are you never around when it's time for chores? And that is from Michael Swanswick, King Dragon book, I guess. I don't know. That's the word of the day, everyone. Don't be a slug a bed.
Don't
Actually,
be a
that's
slug
actually
of
good.
bed.
That's actually cool. We can incorporate that. Just try and make it entertaining for our audience. Here, do we even check if anyone messaged in the chat?
Is there any messages in the chat?
No, there isn't.
Damn.
Is there any other views? I don't know. I can't see.
Damn it, Euro. Rip.
It's okay, man. It's okay. Oh man, you're driving me insane. But I mean, I think I definitely feel more confident for the next trade. Honest.
Your analysis on Euro is pretty solid, dude. If I had to say, it's been pretty good.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, like the calls and like how it trades has been pretty nice.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna say that for both, man. It's been I think from the beginning when we started streaming till now, there's been, and it's cool because we can kind of see the growth.
Yeah, you see
With
the
it.
growth,
Yeah.
especially like with your Euro when you first started till now.
Yeah. I just can't wait for like in a year's time what that'll be. I don't even care about like, you know, the money wise, but just like if I can, I'd be so happy if I can just get 10 pips consistently and sometimes hit that home run with the runners. That's it. That's all a man needs is 10 pips and a runner. You know what? I'm gonna put that in the chat. I don't know why. I just find this interesting to do. Okay. Okay, discount factors resulting spot, yes. Option premium.
Whoops. I'm almost done here.
Yo, imagine if they actually did basic income.
For what?
Basic income for Canada.
Oh, basic income, like a status set.
Yeah, like they give $500 a month.
Oh, that'd be pretty sick. Does any country have that?
I don't even know if there's a country. Is there any country with universal? You know, one thing I realized, look, like the thing is, you know how feds and all these guys are targeting a 2% inflation?
Yeah.
I'm just wondering though, like the thing is, like, wouldn't inflation happen if you basically gave money to people?
Yeah, so that's what I think's happening right now. You kind of have that like stagflation because you have all the money giving it to people right now. And
for example, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Experiments in Canada, Finland, India, and Namibia was received international media attention so far. No country has introduced an unconditional basic income as law. So no country.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Wait, guaranteed minimum income. What the hell is that? Oh, minimum is. The primary goal of a guaranteed minimum income is reduction of poverty. In circumstances when citizenship is the sole qualification, the program becomes a universal basic income system. Okay. But the thing is, like, oh, you don't know. Like, I don't know, like.
You don't know what?
I'm just thinking that, like, Canada's budget is what? $383 billion deficit?
Think so. I don't have to double
That
check
was on the
that.
fiscal policy. So
Is
they
that
must
like
have.
post-COVID?
It has to be.
Is it?
Because they said that like this was like last time this was this bad was like World War II.
Yeah, it's been a while since then.
So I don't know if that basic income, like how much. Okay, so obviously $2,000 is too much for Canada to take on. So $500 a quarter. So you're essentially that's $100 billion in. But no, not everyone got CERB payments.
No, not everyone. A lot of people did though. But still, I think that does inflate. Does cause like pretty big inflation if you're printing money. And
yeah, if everyone has it, then that means you're essential. And the thing is, then you know, like companies know all that stuff, right?
Yeah, basically. My TP's at 17, by the way, but the lunch is only if it hits 20. I'm gonna secure profits. No, I'm playing. We'll see. We shall see. Nah, if it is 17, lunch is still good. I could use some Jinya ramen. But yeah, 17. No, back to if they print money and hand out money, like basic income. Yeah, it's out now.
You're out?
Yeah, I did 17.
Nice. Secured lunch, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you do it.
Secured lunch. Yeah, no, like you were saying, if you print money and hand out to Canadians or any country, it creates inflation in the country.
Yeah.
But if there's like no economic output or no increasing economic output in the country, then it causes stagflation, which is like stagnant economy, but like increasing inflation, which erodes the dollar. which means in a sense you're just delaying getting fucked. Put it in
Yeah.
easy terms.
Stagflation was first recognized during the 1970s, where many developed economies experienced rapid inflation and high unemployment as a result of an oil shock. Yeah, that kind of sounds like Canada.
Yeah, so
That's why we need to divest. We need to be diversified in what, like, honestly, I think Canada, especially, well, maybe not Canada as a whole, but Alberta is the prime example for Dutch disease. And for people that don't know what Dutch disease is essentially a country, or like, I'm just gonna use Alberta as a province, is natural resource rich, but because so much is concentrated in that market itself, you're basically not a well-rounded province, right? You have one strong sector
yeah.
in many sectors. So then when you have an oil shock of some sorts, that's when people start crying.
People start crying.
Yeah. Yeah. So like basically the price of a commodity, which in itself is volatile, it's hard to build a great province with such a volatility, like volatile income. You know, whether it become taxes or income for corporations, same thing. It's volatile. Whereas, like, let's just say if your country is, or if your province or country, let's just say produce Microsoft, Apple, and Google. So I'm just saying the US, right? That income is steady. Yeah, it'll grow, but it's steadier, way steadier than commodities. So, just my 2 cents, everyone. Just my 2 cents. I'm hungry. God dang it.
You're hungry? What time do you eat with the intermittent fasting?
11.
That's not bad.
The worst was honestly not yesterday, the day before yesterday. Oh man, how much is it now? 17, 18, eh? Damn you, Euro.
It's all
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
You secured lunch.
Yeah, but now I'm just thinking, it's like, if we wait 2 more pips, it's gyozas too. I'm just joking.
Gyozas. And now it's just ramen, bro. No gyozas.
I know, I'm
No
just
way.
joking. I'm just playing. But yeah. What was I gonna say here? I lost my train of thought. It doesn't matter. Yeah, well, I think I'm done too. Unless something crazy happens on Euro.
No, I think I'm done.
Yeah.
I think it's better to be done.
Yeah, honestly.
Enjoy the Friday. I think I'm gonna take a nap. I think I'm gonna end the stream.
Yeah, in the stream, man. It's all good.
Well, everybody, thank you for tuning in. If you like the gold trades and the sniper exit, give a like on the stream. If you like Kyle Chan's trade calls, it was pretty good, man.
Yeah.
This was your trade. I think just the patience. Like if you played it off the hour, that's the reason why I wanted to.
No,
yeah.
I know. But I got, when I'm 0.5, I'm half a pip away. It's just like,
Yeah, that's tough.
But then again, let's be kind of as a recap for everyone. Like, superstitions is stupid. The ideal buy stop was at 1-1. Or no, 113.011. Yeah, that
so
was it.
Basically just play the numbers, right?
And that was it. That was the 10 pips would have been secured and stuff. I would have had a runner, and I'd probably still be in it, the runner anyways, and I would just kind of chill. Just forget about it.
Well, there's a lot of lessons. At least we learned, right? At least,
Yeah.
Chan still secured lunch.
They'll secure lunch, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep. It's true. But no, happy have a good weekend. I'll probably be on tomorrow with some analysis. I don't know. Are you gonna be on?
Tomorrow, I might. Well, I mean, if like I'm gonna probably go hiking tomorrow, so I will
Yeah,
probably.
fair enough. But yeah, I'll be on, give some gold analysis, pair
Are you?
analysis. We'll
So
do.
you're not hiking tomorrow, or it depends on your allergies, I guess. Eh?
Yeah, it depends. I've been like sneezing on the side.
Yeah, fair
And
enough.
hot
Then just let
water.
me know.
Sounds good. But yeah, enjoy the weekend, everybody.
Yeah, take care, everyone.